Hello friends, this is Anand Pai from Academy in Pursuit of Engineering Excellence, and today we will continue with series on problems in acceleration. Okay, here we will do only one problem in one video. So the problem which I have picked is from GATE XE 2012, which is given by the velocity within a laminar boundary layer is given by that expression, where B is equal to 100 root meter and the free stream velocity u infinity is 0.1 meters per second. Calculate the x direction component of the acceleration in meter per second square at the point x is equal to 0.5 and y is equal to 50 mm. Now here, since I say x direction component, it is nothing but ax. Okay. For more information on acceleration, you can refer to the right corner of this video. You will get a link to the video on acceleration. Okay. So that will give you the basics of this. Okay. So now let us write this velocity in proper way. Now this velocity we will apply 100 and 0.1 here to get here 10, right? So I can write velocity is equal to 10y divided by x raised to 3 by 2 into I. Now this is actually u, and plus 10y square into 4 x raised to 5 by 2. Now let us see what is acceleration. Acceleration here, since there is no time component here, dou u by dou t and dou v by dou t both will go as 0. V is this. Okay, this is v and here I have j. Okay, so we have to find out ax. What is ax? Ax is u dou u by dou x plus v dou u by dou y. Correct? So it is, here it is u, not v. I'm sorry, it's u. Okay. So now let us do it further. So what is u here? U is given as 10y into x raised to 3 by 2. What is dou u by dou x? Dou u by dou x can be given as 10y into minus 3 by 2 into 1 by x raised to 5 by 2. Correct? Plus, now if I say the other part, v is what? We will get it as 10y square into 4x raised to 5 by 2 is v. And what is dou u by dou y? When you say dou u by dou y, the same thing we have to take. That would become equal to 10 divided by x raised to 3 by 2. Fine. This is the total acceleration. Now this has to be, this is not the total, this is the acceleration in the x direction. Now when we apply these x is equal to 0.5 and y is equal to 50 mm. Now x is equal to 0.5 is okay, y is equal to 50 mm is x is equal to 0.5 and y is equal to say 0.05 meter. So you have to be careful in writing it properly. Okay. So when I substitute this here, we will get this as, see here this particular thing can be written as 10 into 10 100 y cube. I will not go to the details of this, but what we will get at the end is ax will be equal to minus 150 y square divided by x raised to 4 plus 25 y square divided by x raised to 4. Now this will be equal to minus 125 into y square divided by x raised to 4, and this answer will come as 5, which is the answer for this particular problem. Thank you very much, students.